Salute traders.
Want to pump up your trading strategy? Now you will see how technology is changing the level of trading qualitatively.
This is MaxBot channel.
Now I will make trades with the help of an innovative robot.
I start on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, expiry time 2 minutes. The amount of investment $300. The first signal from the bot is higher.
Our team is giving you the opportunity to use 3 bot signals with an average passability of 90% for free, after which you will be able to purchase this great tool at a 90% discount and work without limits.
There are 10 discounted seats left, hurry up. Link in the description. After purchase, the bot gives an unlimited number of signals.
So, now take a look at the chart.
I can see that the volume buyers have been unable to turn the tide lately. An hour ago, the bears sold the market and the price went down a lot.
However, there has been consolidation in the last few minutes, due to the fact that the forces have equalized.
I believe that under these conditions the probability of a localized price increase increases.
After all, the price may bounce from the support area and rush upward.
It is worth to pay attention to such moments within short-term deals. I think that the robot took into account all the moments that can influence the price, and that is why it gave such a signal. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires.
The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years.
And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot is able to triple your deposit on the first day. The investment, which you will make at a discount of 90%, will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Another great advantage is its ability to work with over-the-counter trading. You can use MaxBot when the exchanges are asleep. Trade on weekends and holidays, even late in the day with OTC currency pairs.
To use them, just send the robot the command /OTC in chat. So, the deal closed in the plus side. The signal from the robot and my reasoning turned out to be correct.
That's great. $243 was deposited into the account. Now I will work with the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen. The investment amount will be higher, $500.
The new signal is lower. The news background now has no influence on this currency pair, and price fluctuations are reduced.
I entered the market by pressing the red key in pocket option.
The robot is able to use price action, candlestick and technical types of analysis, as well as 30 indicators. Its arsenal is very powerful.
From historical data we can see frequent sideways movement, stable market saturation with volumes of both sellers and buyers, and a situation with extensive support areas.
However, resistance areas also have a significant impact, and just recently there was a significant bounce from a resistance area.
The price has declined slightly, suggesting a slight bearish advantage in the last few minutes. I think that the robot took these factors into account and after double-checking the information decided that a down signal is optimal in this context. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel.
You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest.
Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic.
Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer.
Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel.
Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs, and not only.
Good luck to everyone. Meanwhile, the deal closed in the plus side. $455. The forecast from the bot was accurate again.
Now I will enter the market again by changing the currency pair. It's time to consolidate the success with another successful trade.
I will use the currency pair Australian dollar, US dollar. The market entry amount will be doubled, $1,000. The recommendation from MaxBot is higher.
News now has a significant impact on the currency pair, price fluctuations are elevated.
I will now take another look at the historical data and draw my conclusions based on it. Friends, always try to analyze every action you take and every trade you make.
The key factor in competent technical and fundamental analysis is your experience. So, according to the historical data, I see that the bulls intensively saturated the market with volumes and adequately resisted the bears.
I think a bounce from the support area on the higher is very likely now, as the buyers are not going to give up their positions. There is a prospect to take advantage of the situation. I am sure that a reversal of the local trend upwards is about to take place. I assume that the robot was thinking along similar lines when it gave the signal. Let's wait for the final result.
By the way, after buying the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals.
Now look at the screen.
These are screens with feedback from traders who have implemented MaxBot in their work and are reaping the benefits. The bot takes on all the key load and gives out accurate signals, its passability, as I said, from 89 to 95%. Members of our community, bot users, make really big money with the help of effective and technological trading. You too can achieve such results, because the robot helps people. Join us at the link in the description.
Here comes the end of the deal. The signal from the bot is accurate for the third time in a row. That's great. $840 has been deposited into the account. Total profit for today's trading session, $1,538. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell, friends.
Don't forget to participate in our cool contest with a great prize and subscribe to our Telegram channel via the link in the description. Have successful trades and see you soon.